My apologies for the beginning of this video. It's a little out of focus, but hey, this video has a ton of content and I promise you're gonna like it. Just bear with the first 30 seconds. Let's do it. Beau here, and welcome back to the video. Today we're doing something special. So long story short, 3 days ago I went on a walking tour with Gonzalo, and we went to this amazing bakery, one of the oldest in Puebla, and he said I could come here and film on Sunday. So here I am on Sunday. I brought Coca-Cola as a thank you, because of course I am in Mexico. The bakery's name is Hornito de San Francisco, and they make 6,000 loaves per day. So I'm gonna go there, film the whole process so you can check it out. Let's do it. Guys, I just caught up with Gonzalo, and he is on a walking tour at the moment, and he's gonna introduce who's on the walking tour.
Hi, welcome. I'm Gonzalo from Free Walking Tour in Puebla, and we are here with...
I'm Diane from France, and Margot from France too.
Okay, now we're gonna go to the bakery. Let's do it. Woo! Hornito de San Francisco. It's extremely loud here. They are like working like crazy. It's like 90 to 95 degrees, so it's extremely hot. The furnace is right there. They have hooked up to a propane tank, and it's like there's fire just raging in there. But they are working extremely hard. Right here behind me is Roberto. He is the owner, and he's one of the hardest working men I've ever seen. Like, he has not stopped since I've got here. He's just gone and gone and gone. Doing right behind me is basically greasing the oven so everything does not stick. But he has a giant paddle he's putting in there, back and forth, back and forth. They have this whole operation like down to a dance. Like, I'm in here trying to move around and film, and I feel like I'm in the way sometimes, but they're all over the place. Really, it's pretty incredible to see 6,000 loaves per day. 6,000! I feel guilty now. I asked Roberto to just put the bread in the oven so I get a shot of him doing it, and now he won't give it up. So I kind of feel guilty that he was just hanging out, and I was like, hey, can I get a shot of you doing this? And he just keeps on going. That was a lot harder than it looked. I was so scared I was going to drop one on the ground. But these guys are quick. So I'm here with the owner, Roberto.
Estamos aquí con Roberto.
This business has been here for 55 years.
Este ha sido un negocio que ha estado aquí desde hace cuántos años?
55.
55 años.
And it's called Hornito de San Francisco.
Es el hornito de San Francisco.
Sí, es así.
And yeah, but you know, and Roberto is the third generation.
Roberto es la tercera generación.
Yeah. Roberto, how many years have you been here working?
¿Cuántos años usted ha estado aquí trabajando?
Desde niños, desde los 10 años.
Since 10 years old, he's working here.
Since he was 10 years old. Every single day.
Todos los días.
Todos los días.
Every day.
365 days per year, 10 hours per day.
10 horas diarias.
10 horas diarias. 10 hours.
Hey, thank you so much for letting me come and film.
Muchas gracias por
No,
permitirnos grabar.
gracias a ti, gracias a las señoritas, gracias por visitarnos y por darnos a conocer más.
Thank you so much for coming and to let us share this bakery.
Cheers.
Salud.
This is some of the freshest bread that I've ever had.
Es de los mejores panes que ha tenido.
It's so delicious, and I'm gonna rate it here. Gonna give it a 10 out of 10.
Gracias a ti, gracias a Dios y gracias a la gente porque nos ha preferido durante años y años, gracias a nuestro trabajo cotidiano y con mucho esfuerzo. Y la gente nos ha reconocido y somos reconocidos no nomás en Puebla, sino toda la República.
Thank you to you, to all the people that came here because they have been recognized for all this time.
Sí, sí.
Gracias.
No, gracias a ti, gracias.
Thank you so much for watching, and like always, Beau out.
I love it. I love it when it's just made. It's so crunchy. Yeah. Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, and we're French, so we know a lot about bread, and it's pretty good bread.
Yeah.
Get it to 10 out of 10.
It tastes like home. Yeah, actually, it's as good as what we can find in Paris or Normandy, so pretty good.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.